coincide with the upcoming V6 powered sports car. Aston Martin will also introduce a range of hybridized and electric vehicles, sometime in the mid-2020s, with a plan for a fully electric lineup by the year 2030. "We will be 100% hybrid by the middle of the 2020s, Palmer said in the interview. Unlike its current AMG-sourced V8s, Palmer admits that the battery and hybrid technology development need to be kept inside the company, saying, "That's why we make our own V12 engine. We believe that EVs are core technology, and therefore we want to do them ourselves." The first fully electric car that Aston Martin is scheduled to introduce will be the Rapide sedan, followed shortly thereafter by the DBX crossover. Both cars will be built at Aston's new state-of-the-art Wales production facility alongside the DB11 sports car. The upcoming mid-engine sports car, meanwhile, will be built at Aston Martin's Gaydon, UK facility with development led by former Ferrari Max Szwaj. Szwaj will work together with design chief Marek Reichman in development of the new model.